When you start a large motor, how you start it matters a lot. Today we compare three methods: DOL, soft starter, and VFD. Let's keep it simple. DOL, or direct online, is the simplest method. You press start and full voltage hits the motor immediately. Simple and cheap, fast start. But it causes a huge current spike, up to 6 to 8 times the normal running current. This stresses the motor, the cables, and the mechanical equipment best for small motors or emergency backup situations. A soft starter gradually increases the voltage when starting the motor, reducing that damaging current spike. Protects the motor from mechanical stress, more affordable than a VFD smoother start and stop. But once the motor reaches full speed, the soft starter is bypassed. It cannot control speed during operation, best for pumps and compressors where you just need a gentle start. A VFD, variable frequency drive, is the most advanced option. It controls both the starting and the running speed of the motor by changing the frequency of the power supply. Smooth start with zero current spike. Full speed control during operation. Saving huge amounts of energy can reduce energy consumption by up to 50%. Most expensive of the three requires more maintenance and expertise. Best for chillers, pumps, and fans where load varies, which is most of the time in HVAC. To summarize, need it simple and cheap? DOL, need a smooth start only? Soft starter, need energy savings and full control? VFD.